Hello guys, welcome to Chiomas kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to roast plantain with oven. Before we start, don't forget to like my video, share, subscribe, watch, and always press the notification bell to get notified anytime I'm uploading a new video. Before we start, I will not forget to sing my slogan: Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, pam 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 pam. So guys, let's move to the ingredients. Yes, so this week is a blessed week, so we are starting the week with roasted plantain in Chiomas kitchen. So let me show you guys my ingredients. These are my plantain, my palm oil. This plantain is a baba for the day plantain. I'm using ripe plantain, ripe and half ripe plantain. You can see it. You see it. My chopped onions, my blended tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper inside here, my ginger, my garlic, curry, paprika, my chicken. I'm going to use this seasoning to season my chicken. So I put everything. Here is my fresh otazi leaf, my seasoning, and pinch of salt. Okay, you see it. Everything. I start. I've already washed my plantain, but I will cut it, show you the way. If you want to roast, some people roast with the back, but me, I'm going to roast. I'm going to remove my back stain. You see it, the way I did it. Chiomas kitchen. There's nothing this kitchen will not show you guys. You see it? Yes, yes. I remove it. I put in my rack. I remove again. I place him on my rack. Some people will say they want fish. I like using my chicken to serve my dish, because in my house here they don't like fish like that. So if I use fish, the children will not eat too, because I'm doing it for the children. So I decide to use chicken. You see it. I've placed my plantain. Madam put big one for me. Now I want that big one where you won't put now. Okay, don't give it to another person. So I shift this. I remove my chicken. Now I put my garlic into my chicken. I put this. My ginger. I put my curry. To it, I put my pimento paprika. I put a little seasoning to it. I mix. You see it. Chiomas kitchen. I mix all of them for them to marinate into the chicken. You see it. This is hard chicken I'm using. I'm not using the soft type. I have it already on ground, so I have to season it more, because I'm going to roast it with my plantain. You see it. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, watch my video. Pam 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 pam. You see it. All my spice is on the chicken. I place it on the rack so that everything will go in with the oven. Before we move to do our sauce for the day that we use to squander this authentic dish. Yes. You see how the thing came out on the rack? You see it? the thing came out. It's not even inside the oven yet oh, but the thing has started making my throat like this. Chiomas kitchen eat, Chiomas kitchen test, Chiomas kitchen test. You see it? The thing is giving me warm. I can't wait to test this, you know. Before I put it into my oven now, you guys will see it, you know. You first of all preheat your oven. Okay, you preheat it. This thing is going to roast for 30 minutes. This plantain will roast for 30 minutes. You preheat your oven and keep and set aside, you know. Now I've on my oven. You see it is on 250. Then I'm going to roast for 30 minutes. Okay, you see it. So we move to the oven. I put it. You can see I've put it. We close it and move straight to the cooking gas to prepare our sauce that we use to eat it. Okay, yes so Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. Bam 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 bam. We pour our oil now into our pot. We allow to heat. You heat your oil, allow it to heat before you put your this thing. We'll close it so that the smoke will not fill our kitchen. We put our onions now. We cover. We put our onions, allow it to marinate inside the oil. We allow it to fry for 2 minutes. We allow it to fry for 2 minutes. We put cover it. Wow, you see? The aroma is all over my kitchen. These onions and red oil inside. The aroma is all over my kitchen. You see, it has fried for 2 minutes. It has fried for 2 minutes. You put your blend pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, tomatoes into the sauce. You fry. Yes, so this sauce is going to come out well. Yes, you put all your spice into it. All the cooking spice into it. You stir. You see it? Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like, share my video, subscribe to my channel. You see it? You taste for salt. The salt is okay. Taste for salt. It's okay. Everything is okay. You see it? Fry for 5 minutes more. Okay, after 15 minutes time, you turn. You bring it out and turn. Flip to the other side. You see how it's coming out. Then you bring out the chicken out. The chicken now is ready. You bring out the chicken out. The grilled chicken. This one is really small. This one small too. This one is ready. This is ready. You put inside for another 15 minutes. For another 15 minutes. You put inside. allow for it to roast well again before we bring it out to serve. You can grilled chicken came out, the chicken came out that we used to serve it. You see it? Yes, so Chioma, good to go. We'll move straight to our cooking gas to check our sauce. Wow, 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 wow. You see it? You see our sauce? Yes, so our sauce is ready. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video. Pam 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 pam. You see it? You see it? You see it? You see it? I test for the last time to check. The sauce is okay. Everything is okay inside the sauce. I can't wait to dress my plantain and eat this sauce. So I can't wait. You see, this sauce is chop one, chop two. Chop one, chop two. That is what I call this sauce. When you use it to put the plantain, you'll be requesting for more. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. Like my video, share my video, like my video, watch my video, subscribe to my channel, press my notification bell. Bam 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 bam. That is my slogan in Chiomas kitchen. Yes, so you see the outcome. Yes, yes, yes. Push. Now scrape it, and we now scrape our plantain. Yeah, we collect one. We do it Nigerian way. Madam, this one na correct plantain. I want this one. Madam, put this one for me. Madam will do it. Yes, so roasted plantain in Chiomas kitchen. Madam will do it for you. Madam, this one done. Yes, it done. Put them for me. That is Nigerian pattern. Some people used to eat it with groundnut. They will say, don't put oil. I want to eat it with groundnut. But yeah, we are using oil to serve. You see it? This is how I roast my plantain in the oven. Madam, put. That is what Madam is doing. Our Nigerian way. Yes, so. This plantain have health benefit too. You know, plantain has health benefit too. Rich in potassium, magnesium. This plantain will make a lot of sense. You see? Then we'll not put oil. In Nigeria, we will say, Madam, which type you want? You want fish or you want chicken? I want chicken. Oh, that is what I'm going to do now. Okay? Madam, put oil, plenty oil. Madam, I want plenty oil. You see? That is it. Oh, you see it. You see it. Oh, you see it. Madam, you get to tazi? Yes, I get to tazi. That is the way we dress it. Nigerian way. You know? You see the plantain. Roasted plantain in Chiomas. Then we'll put our fresh otazi for garnishing. You see it? Fresh otazi for garnishing. Wow, 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 wow. You know Chiomas kitchen. She will not. You know Chiomas kitchen. She will not stop. And she will not stop. She will always test her food to know how sweet it is. You see? You see? You see? You see? You see? You see the outcome? The outcome with the fresh utility leaf on top. This roasted plantain will make a lot of sense with this chicken as side dish. Look at the chicken there. You can use fish. You can use any type of protein you want to use, but I choose to use chicken, the hard chicken. You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it. Wow, wow, wow. You know Chioma's kitchen, she will not forget, and she will not stop testing her food. You know me, I'll test with this my lovely sauce. The tazi leaf make a lot of sense in this plantain. You see it. Guys, I hope you guys will give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, watch my video. As you do, God will bless you. For all my subscribers, God will bless you guys for the wonderful support and encouragement. I love you guys. For those, the intended ones that wants to subscribe, please do. As you do, God will bless you and bless you and bless you. Guys, give this roasted plantain a trial. A trial will convince you if you follow my procedure. Bye. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Ciao.